children, welcome to Biology Classroom. In the previous class, we discussed about the uses of microorganisms. But the microorganisms are harmful in many ways. They cause diseases in plants, animals, and human beings. Microorganisms are also spoil food, clothing, and leather. So let us discuss about their harmful activities today.
As I told you before, some microorganisms can cause diseases. Such disease-causing microorganisms are called pathogens. Pathogens enter our body through the air we breathe, the water we drink, or the food we eat. They can also get transmitted by direct contact with an infected person or carried through an animal. Microbial diseases that can spread from an infected person to a healthy person through air, water, food, or physical contact are called communicable diseases. Examples of such diseases include COVID-19, cholera, common cold, chickenpox, tuberculosis, etc. Let us take an example of common cold. When a person suffering from common cold sneezes, fine droplets of moisture carrying thousands of viruses are spread in the air. The virus may enter the body of a healthy person while breathing. Children, you know, prevention is better than cure. Then how do you prevent the spread of common cold? Yes, we should keep a handkerchief on the nose and mouth while sneezing. Children, in the present scenario, I want to remind you one thing. The number of COVID-19 patients are increasing day by day, and we know the preventive measures. And what are they? Wearing masks, keeping social distance, and use of soap and sanitizers. There are some insects and animals which act as carriers of disease-causing microbes. Housefly is one such carrier. The flies sit on the garbage and animal excreta. Pathogens stick to their bodies. When these flies sit on uncovered food, they may transfer the pathogens. Whoever eats the contaminated food is likely to get sick. So it is advisable to always keep food covered. Avoid consuming uncovered items of food. Mosquitoes are another example of carriers. The female Anopheles mosquito, which carries the parasite of malaria. Female Aedes mosquito acts as carrier of dengue virus. How can we control the spread of malaria or dengue? By reducing the number of mosquitoes in your surrounding. You know, all mosquitoes breed in water. Hence, one should not let water collect anywhere in coolers, tires, flower pot, etc. By keeping the surroundings clean and dry, we can prevent the mosquitoes from breeding. Look at the picture. Some common human diseases caused by microorganisms and its causative microorganism, mode of transmission and preventive measures are given. First is tuberculosis. Causative organism is bacteria and mode of transmission is air. Measles, chickenpox and polio. The causative organism is virus and the mode of transmission is air. But in the case of chickenpox, contact also there. And in the case of polio, water is also there. Then preventive measures are keep the patient in complete isolation, keep the personal belongings of the patient away from those of others, and vaccination. Then cholera and typhoid are bacterial diseases and mode of transmission is also same, that is water, and cholera is also transmitted through the by consuming contaminated food. Preventive measures are maintain personal hygiene and good sanitary habits, consume properly cooked food and boil drinking water, and vaccination. Hepatitis A is a viral disease that is transmitted through water. So drink boiled drinking water, and also vaccination is there. Last one is malaria. It is the causative organism is protozoa. Mode of transmission is mosquito. Use mosquito net and repellents. Spray insecticides and control breeding of mosquitoes by not allowing water to collect in the surroundings are the preventive measures. Children, this is an important table, so you should learn this. Microorganisms also cause diseases in animals. Anthrax is a dangerous human and cattle disease caused by bacterium Bacillus anthracis. Robert Koch discovered the bacterium Bacillus anthracis. Foot and mouth disease of cattle is caused by a virus. Several microorganisms cause diseases in plants and thereby reduce the yield of crops. Citrus canker is a disease caused by the bacteria and the mode of transmission is air. Rust of wheat is another plant disease caused by the fungi and the mode of transmission is air and seeds. This disease is called as yellow vein mosaic disease. It is a viral disease and it will be transmitted by insects. Children, please read textbook page numbers 22 to 25. I attached a link to watch the animation of the topic, download the notes and learn, attend test questions. Thank you for listening me children. Bye.